Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the intermediate class from LBallet. You know my dancers in the meantime, but to mention, Esme is the first one and Sanne is beside her. It's Thursday and it's the 5th of November 2020. And we are going on with our items, the big poses and the start of the pas assemblée. So we start 2 hands at the bar, as usual, with which foot? Left? We do left foot, okay. We take left foot to the front, really getting the heel up, turning out in the supporting leg, closing first the little toe, and then the heel coming back. Going again to the front, and the back. Demi-plié, this is really the preparation for pas assemblée. Shifting the weight over the supporting leg and plié. Now there comes air at the bottom of the working leg, taking it with you, up in the air, stretching, stretching, and closing. The same with the other leg, the same to the back, Then first leg, going side, arm has to be insert, ready. And then your hand is taking you to the side in the letter C. 2 ears to the side. And opening, bring the arm away, allongé, and the allongé closes the leg. Other leg, turn around, parallel. If you have a gap between your leg, being parallel, then imagine you are turned out, using the muscles at the inside. It's not allowed to get a gap. Then your calves are going outward, and that's not healthy for your knees. So use your inside legs, going front, turn out, going front, turn out, and the relevé with port de bras. Okay. And left leg to the front and back. To the front, back. Demi-plié, shifting on one leg and up, close, and 1. Always shifting the weight to the side. Demi-plié, and go. And up, fine. And to the back. Lift your back. And don't turn in when you depart. And go 1. Gliding through the floor and up. Fine, girls. And start with your little toe, Esme. Little toe, yes. And to the side, that's fine. And up, stretch, stretch. Yes. Turn your left foot and arm. Go 2 ears to the side. And be careful that your heel stays under your instep. And the arm closes the leg. And go. And turn, and 1, 2. And shake a little no. Hold it. And now 2 counts. Come up, turn out, and go. And coming up, arms down, and going 1. Stay with me, and go up, stay with me. Opening, and you see your thumbs. And allongé, Your obliques, come, stay with me. And plie. Hold. Yes, your body is like a lasso. When you go here backwards, then you fall down. Yes, you have to keep this 1.5 meters, my dears. Come. Okay. We have the pliés, 2 full pliés. The second full pliés goes pushing from the heels and up. And then we stay 6 measures. Reaching, reaching, reaching. Never stop reaching, because then you fall down. And going to the side, second position, forced, opposite fifth, fifth position. Fourth position is a tricky position. So imagine your hip bones, your pelvis, and the front leg is in front of your pelvis, and the back leg is in the back of your pelvis. Okay, at the back of the pelvis. And then you have to turn out. So this is really a huge job to get this leg outwards without taking the hip. So the only thing that helps is stretching here, your ground, up. That's the only thing that helps. And making a corner here. Not getting the corner out, making really corners. Go in fifth, go in fifth. In the mi-plié. The back leg back. The other leg back. Sanne. Change. To the back, yes. Okay, and now go to the back. And now hold your turn out. Hold your turn out. There we go. Now you feel now you are too much on your back leg. Yes, there. And there is your grand plié. Wow, look. Look how turned out you are now. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now, that's your item for now. 1 and 2, da. A big port de bras. And breathing. And opening. No shoulders. And wide 1. And 2. And 3. And beautiful. Wider. Divide your movement. Releve. Lifting your back to your fingertips. Go. Go. Beautiful. Yes, hold it and go on. Stretching. And demi-plié. Tendu and a surprising foot. Beautiful. And 2. Now you were too quick. Listen to Paul. 2 shoulders and little finger out. Floating ribs are over. Yes, yes, hold them in. Going on, going on, and there we go in 4, and 1, and 2, and don't go too deep. That's for us, May. 1. Beautiful, ladies. Open the ground of your front hip. Open the front hip. Yes. Yes, you are really correct, Sanne. Hold it. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Demi.